the face of crippling power outages and leadership challenges, Zimbabweans are coming together to reclaim their future. Inspired by Nelson Chamisa's call to action, communities across the nation are organizing initiatives to address the country's energy crisis and promote grassroots leadership. Community-led solar cooperatives are sprouting up, providing affordable renewable energy to households and businesses. Local entrepreneurship programs are empowering women and youth, equipping them with skills to drive economic growth. Town hall meetings are fostering open dialogue between citizens and leaders, bridging the gap between governance and grassroots concerns. Volunteers are spearheading infrastructure projects, improving roads and public spaces. Community centers now offer free education and skills training, while advocacy groups push for policy reforms to ensure sustainable development. As Zimbabweans unite, a sense of hope and resilience emerges. The nation is rewriting its narrative, shifting from darkness to light. We are not just fighting against darkness, we are building a brighter future, says Chamisa. This grassroots movement is redefining Zimbabwe's story, one of collective action and determination.